Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the dotted lines so you can remove them. First, open View and switch to Page Break Preview. Excel shows page boundaries as blue dotted lines so you know where breaks occur. Once done, note whether they are manual or automatic. Manual breaks appear thicker. Make sure to also check File Print Preview to confirm placement. This step locates the problem and sets you up to remove or adjust breaks precisely without changing your layout unintentionally. You now remove or reset the page break so the dotted lines vanish. Select the affected rows or columns, then go to Page Layout, Breaks, and choose Remove Page Break to drop a manual break. Use Reset All Page Breaks to revert to automatic defaults. Once you remove a manual break, Excel recalculates pagination, which often eliminates the dotted lines. Make sure to save after changes, because resetting all will alter print layout and could move content between pages unexpectedly. You finish by hiding any remaining visual guides and verifying the fix. Switch back to View Normal to stop showing page break outlines. This hides blue dotted guides if they were preview only. If dotted lines persist, ensure Show Grid Lines is off under View, because grid lines sometimes look similar. Also check for print area or manual page breaks you might have missed. If problems continue, open File Options, Advance to reset printing or layout options, and then repeat removal steps. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.